Wildlife Northern's 2018 fall production of The Desk Set takes place in 1955 in Manhattan at the Broadcasting Company, specifically the reference department. Bunny Watson is the woman who mans the reference department of the broadcasting company, and she is the boss of 3 other ladies, and their job is to just basically get all the reference that the different studios need for certain productions. And what ends up happening is technology starts to make its way into the workplace slowly but surely, and they're going to introduce the first electronic brain. What we know as today is computers, and they are fearing for their jobs. So this show basically talks about what life was like before Google and computers and technology, and what they had to do before all that came in, and what kind of happens when it comes into the workplace, and how it affects those people who are actually doing a job, and do they lose their job. It also touches base on women in the workplace. It's because this is 1955. You have women who were in the workplace for the war effort and then were kind of kicked out once the men returned. So this is women slowly starting coming back into the workplace and getting a life of their own. Shows are November 9th and 10th at 7:30 p.m. and November 11th at 2, and you can get your tickets at WLCStickets.com.